This is the most expensive license plate in the world, and it costs $15 million. In Dubai, supercars are very popular, seeing Lamborghinis and McLarens all over the road. But the rich people there like to go for exclusivity and be the only ones on the block with that one car, like Bugatti's Koenigsegg, some Ferraris, and even Porsches. But since they can only be so rare, they go for something even rarer. License plates. Drivers in Dubai literally pay millions to get a low-numbered or rare license plate to flex and give back to charity. Since all license plates are unique, having literally one of each in the world. But the rare ones are the low-number ones, like number 5, selling for $7 million. The previous record holder, license plate number 1, selling for $14 million, and currently license plate P7 selling for $15 million. The person who bought it is the owner of the Telegram. At least some of that money goes to charity. Tell us if you would buy a rare license plate in the comments, and don't forget to follow.